Is it dud?
Yeah.
I'm scared to touch it, because what if it goes off? Okay, the first one was a dud. Why don't you just set it down and light it? Why do you have to throw it? Maybe that's what puts it out.
Oh, yeah. So let me try that.
I kind of... Yeah, come over here. Oh, shit! Get the carpet! Get the carpet! It got the broom on fire. I don't think I got that, but that was funny. Holy cow! Freaking got the broom. Oh, it stinks. No.